actually, that's very nice that you involve your characters.
Louder.
Yeah. So you'll be doing the dual role, right? Like, so it's very good that you got award also on this based on the characters, right?
So what did you like about the role? Both the roles.
I
Which
like-
role did you like more?
I like elder sister role.
The naughty one.
Yep, absolutely. That's
Yeah.
good. That's fine.
So what do you like in that role?
You and your father will be fighting, right? So you'll be having some drugs in that home, and that time I think that you'll be acting very good on that particular role. So based on that,
Okay. So you're born and brought up in Chennai?
absolutely.
Yeah. So you saw the film when it released in August?
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah. So it's different, right, from the
Yeah,
regular
I like
film?
that film, and the film is good, but that's too, what I can say. The way that which the director and you characters will move in that film,
Yeah.
it's very good. I like that film.
Good. I'm happy you liked it. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Sriram.
Okay.
I'm doing computer science engineering.
Oh, nice. Which college?
I'm not from Chennai, I'm from Vellore.
Okay.
During Women's Day, I wished you in return by sending you a pic.
Oh,
Bold
yes,
and
yes, yes,
beautiful.
yes, yes. Oh, that's you. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Thanks. I
So, what
came
was
to
the
know that,
first? Did you think it is a romantic film? Or what did you think when you
I
saw
know
the
it's
poster?
thriller,
Okay.
trailer, but the intro shot they take from you, that background tattoo, that was totally mind blown.
Okay.
Mind blown, and the scene you did, that some drug scene,
Yeah, yeah,
that
yeah.
and that climax.
I worked very hard for the film, so I'm happy you like the scene. But I don't
Yes,
smoke in real life, it was only for the film. You all should know that, yeah.
In
So-
climax, you smoke some cigarette. That
Yeah.
one cigarette, that scene was totally first class. All the audience in the theater went crazy.
Yeah, what did they do? They
Really.
whistled or something?
They shouted. No one expected that scene.
Yeah.
That makes me. Actually, I don't like smoking scenes in movie. After seeing you,
Yeah.
I compared with you with Rajinikanth sir smoking.
Oh, God. Wow.
The negative role is good, I think.
Sorry?
That time the negative role. that
Yeah,
which you
see,
do, right,
because
that is too good.
I had never smoked, but obviously the character of the film,
Yep.
you understand, right? That if a character is given, then you have to do according to that. So then,
How you choose that characters if they told you, so this is the negative role and this is the positive role that you're going to do, right?
yeah, see, because I'm from the theatre background, so I wanted to pick up a film which, would give me like variety to perform. And when they narrated the script to me, as it's very rare that a girl gets to do a part like this,
Yeah.
and generally it's a male dominated industry. And also because it showed there's a good sister also, but nobody talks about her.
So how you started your career from the film industry?
When I started doing college, I got a lot of offers for modeling. So I started modeling very early on, and then I thought, oh, I'll quit. After 12, I told my dad, okay, I'll do correspondence and I'll start pursuing this. But my dad, we used to have kind of arguments every day, and he insisted that he's like, after you finish your education, get your degree. After you finish, and then you have the permission to go and do what you want. But at that time I was so angry with him. I thought, oh, he's taking me away from what I want to do. And then I went and studied abroad. I did my graduation, then I did my MBA also.
Wow.
And then I went and spoke to my dad that can I now do what I want to do. He said, yeah, now you have your degree, so now you can go out and you have always something to fall back on, because an actor's job is it's like a one-man show.
Yes.
It's how this industry is. I've trained in acting. I went to Delhi for my theatre. I did that properly because I didn't want to enter the industry just like that, unprepared. I wanted to train and have some knowledge about performance, because I think it's a very serious job, acting. It's not something you just decide one day and do. So, yeah.
You are given a role in Rajinikanth's movie, but you don't have any performance scope.
I will do it with my eyes shut because I'm a huge fan of his. So even if I get like 2 minutes to be with him, I learned so much from him. So I would not even think twice. And also, I want to, like, I've always wanted to ask him that how does he stay so humble and grounded, you know? He's so generous and he's very simple, you know, that's
Right.
the beauty of him. That he comes out of his house so simple.
So yeah, how did your family react to Sarab?
Yeah, that's very interesting. So while I was shooting for the film, my granny was with me for 2 months, and I was so scared to tell her that, you know, like when I would go down and when I used to be reading the scripts here only outside, and I was mugging up my dialogues and reading the scripts and, you know, thinking of the role, and I was like constantly thinking that I'm smoking to rehearse, right? Because you can't just go on set and smoke, and I was like, what is she going to say? So she didn't, I'm sure she could smell or she knew something. So then I told her that, you know, I want to tell you something that this is the, you know, the film is like this and I'm required to smoke in the film and all. She's like, yeah, you're doing it for a role. So I understand that. So I was like, oh, my grandmother understands that. So we didn't tell my father or anything. And also I didn't know how he's going to react. And I wanted to kind of show him that, you know, I wanted to show him the film. So then he had come, my family had come when the film released to Chennai. So then my grandparents, my family, everybody had come, and then they saw the film, and my father gets out of the theatre and he's like, I'm scared of you now. Yeah.
Who's your favorite actor? Explore Rajinikanth is everybody's favorite.
Yeah, I think he's like everybody's favorite. I like, see, for me, because they're all somebody I aspire to work with. They have done so much work. Ajit, I really like he's like the George Clooney of Tamil industry. I like the variation he has and his salt and pepper hair. Vikram, I'm a big fan of Vikram. Jeeva, yeah, Jeeva, I think he's a fabulous actor. And Dhanush, what intensity, you know. So I mean, he balances both the industries so well, Tamil, and now he's doing so well in Bollywood. So I think his intensity as an actor comes out so beautifully on screen. He doesn't overact. He just is so. He's very honest as an actor. I like that about Dhanush and yeah, Jeeva, Vikram, but yeah, he's Arya. I like Arya also. Yeah. So all I would love to work with all of them. So I've got a few souvenirs for you. I'll sign them.